Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to add bio in Threads profile. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Threads app. Now go to your account. Press on Edit Profile. Here you can see the option of bio. Press on this. If you want to change your bio or add your bio, you just have to press a cross option to delete first one, then write your new bio. Now press on the sign option. Now click on done. That's it. So this is how to add bio in your Threads profile. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.